So hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to earn on the Loot Up website, guys. First of all, I am going to refresh this web page. You can see it successfully loaded. Click on the spin the wheel. I do daily come to this website. I will do every day spin the wheel. This is the main source of, you can see. Try again. I did not win any points. Okay, if you click on my account section, you can see point history. I'm going to show you my point history. You can see I applied this promo code yesterday. I got 50 points. Every day I'm spinning. You can see clearly see this is the spin wheel history, guys. Okay, so I'm getting these promo codes on Facebook page. So in this video I'm going to cash out on cash out to my PayPal account, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just wait a second. Click on redeem section here. This is my email, so I'm choosing PayPal. So I'm entering points here. Just wait a second. I'm going to copy this my email and click on the PayPal again. Yeah, there you go. Paste it. 1070 points equal to $1.07. So I'm clicking on confirm. So you can see withdrawal successful. Okay, it will take 24 to 48 hours to get the payment. You can see clearly. So I'm going to refresh again. Once my payout was successful, my balance will be deducted from my account. You can see show still pending. The amount is withdrawn to. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I will post the Loot Up new promo codes when they updated on their Facebook group or page. So you can see this is my channel, and also I'm going to post weekly Hideout promo codes or Loot Up promo codes, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, ask me, and that's it for today. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ask me, guys. Thank you.